braised ribs with green beans. I'm using green beans growing in my garden. These are very meaty, but you can use any kind. So first let's blanch the ribs, boil water, add a couple star anise and ginger. Then add ribs. Blanch until you don't see any more pink. Remove ribs with skimmer. Then we'll heat oil in a separate pan. Add blanched ribs and stir briefly. Add a couple of tablespoons stir fry. Continue stir about 30 seconds. Then we'll add enough water to almost cover ribs. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Finally, we'll add green beans. Cover, let it simmer for another 15 minutes or until no more liquid in the pan. Now it's delicious braised ribs with green beans is done. This is great with rice, noodles, or anything you prefer.
You can find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.